Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Today I have this TP-Link Archer NX200 5G CPE router AX1800 dual-band Wi-Fi 6 with a superior 5G up to 4.67 gigabits per second, dual-band powerful Wi-Fi 6 on a 2.4 and 5 GHz, easy mesh compatible seamless Wi-Fi, SIM card plug and play. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. Included at the box, we have some manual, Ethernet cable with a length 1 meter, and it is UTP Cat 5e. The power adapter with an output 12 volt 2 amp 24 watts power consumption, and the cable length it is 1.5 meters, very convenient. And the router, I like the design, ventilation at the top, TP-Link. At the front we have the LED indicators, the power, internet, network type, Wi-Fi, LAN and the signal strength. Ventilation at the bottom, 4 silicone pads, the nano SIM card slot. It is very easy to install and it locks. At the back you can connect the power adapter here, the on-off switch. We have 1 gigabit LAN 1 port and another 2 LAN ports, first and second. WPS button and the reset button. And here you can remove this cover and connect 2 antennas, external antennas for the 4G and 5G. Not a Wi-Fi antennas, only for the 4G and 5G. Inside it has 2 internal Wi-Fi antennas and another 8 internal NR-LTE antennas. 8! Wow! So many! This is an upgrade from the oldest router. I have the Deco X50 5G router. I think that it has a better signal for the 5G. So I will test it and see how it goes. Now if you want to connect 2 antennas, let me show you. Now in my case it doesn't matter if I will connect the antennas or not, because my signal it is very good. The cellular antenna it is about 600 meters from my house and I can see the antennas with a naked eye. So I will not use the antennas, but in your case if you will install this router inside your home, place it near the window to have a better coverage. And if you don't have a better coverage, install the 2 antennas, it will help. One here, you can adjust, and another one here. The antennas are not included at the box, you need to buy the antennas separately. Okay, and you can adjust the antennas. As I mentioned, I will not use the antennas. I have a very good signal from the cellular tower. Install again the cover, plug it in, and I will start the setup. Now to start the setup you need the Tether app. You can download the app from Google Play Store or App Store. And I have some other devices from TP-Link. Add the device, add router, LEDs are solid on, enable camera and scan, or set up manually. Connect to your network, go to your Wi-Fi settings of your smartphone, and there it is. I need the TP-Link CD92, the Wi-Fi password, it is at the bottom of the device. It is the default password, you can change that later. Connect. Connected. Back at the app, I am connected. Archer NX200 has been found. Set up this device. Connect via a SIM card, connect via Ethernet cable, SIM card. Already done that. Next. Set device password. Next. Set your SIM card. We have the carrier profile, some informations. Next. Set wireless network name. You can rename that. Later I will change the Wi-Fi network to connect all my devices at this router. Next. Profile name, the network name, the Wi-Fi password. Apply. You can copy the password, connect to your Wi-Fi. I'm connected. Congratulations! Router is connected. We can see the download rate and upload, network status, real-time rate, CPU usage and the memory. Some information about the device. Clients. All my clients are connected. 31 on 2.4 GHz and another 5 to 5 GHz. Choose one of these devices. Total traffic usage, join it, family member. You can add. Select the age, profile name and choose an avatar. Discard. High priority, you can enable. Set QoS before using this feature, OK. Set total bandwidth for download and upload. Enable. And disable. You can block it or unblock. So easy process. For each of these devices. And you can check on the block list. Data settings, data usage type, total or monthly, start date. You can adjust. Use it this month, adjust, gigabyte or megabyte, monthly data usage limit, monthly allowance, usage alert, off, push notifications, data percentage, SMS alerts, push notification and SMS alerts. Total. Guest network. You can create a guest network. You can enter a password. Done. And there is the guest network. Confirm. And that's how you have created a guest network. Two networks, 2.4 and 5 GHz. Security. Allow local access. Disable, enable. And again, you can change the name for each network. Security, public IP lookup, MAC lookup, antivirus. You can scan now. Perfect. TP-Link on-the-go antivirus. You can secure. Family, create a profile. Age. The name, the avatar again, more, Wi-Fi settings, 2.4 and 5 GHz, you can turn on the Smart Connect, that's how you will have only one network. 2.4, you can rename, adjust the password, advanced, security, hide the SSID, mode, channel width, auto 20 or 40, channel, Wi-Fi power. For the 5 GHz, the same here, you can adjust, advanced, security, hide the SSID, mode, channel width, different channels, channel, Wi-Fi power. So many adjustments. On my next video I will show you how you can adjust all that and from the web interface. Guest network again you can create, QoS, already done that, the block list, quick setup, you can choose via a SIM card or Ethernet cable. SIM card for me, internet connection, connected, we can see the information from the provider, internet settings, Ethernet, connection type, IPv4, DNS, manual, IPv6, address type, IPv6 tunnel, tunneling. I'm just showing you what options you have to adjust to your needs. Advanced. Of course, from the web browser you have more options. Cellular, the provider, you can edit the profile, create a new profile, you can enable data roaming, network mode, 5G, 5G only, 4G, 4G only, 3G only, carrier, auto, or you can choose manual, just leave it on auto. Band, the same and for the band, additional radio info, some informations, set preferred connection method, Ethernet or cellular, cellular, network diagnostics, you can run, SMS, inbox, new message, you can send an SMS, data settings, same in here, we have seen that. PIN management, you can enable at your SIM card, don't do that, no need. WPS, enable disable, easy mesh, at this moment I don't have a second router. LED control, you can disable the LED, enable the night mode. Manager, create a TP-Link account so you can manage all the settings whenever and wherever you are. No need to be near the router. System, reboot schedule, reboot time, firmware update, manage password, reboot device factory default restore. And we can see the signal, it is full. I have very good signal in my area. So let's run some tests. Is a high-performance router designed to deliver ultra-fast 5G connectivity for homes and small offices. Benefits of the NX200: ultra-fast speeds. 5G technology ensures high-speed connectivity for bandwidth-intensive tasks with reliable and strong Wi-Fi 6 signals. Ensure reliable connectivity for video conferencing, real-time applications and large file transfers. Easy of use, simple setup and management with the TP-Link Tether app. For gamers, enjoy low-latency online gaming with fast and stable 5G connectivity. Streamers, perfect for smooth 4K video streaming and online content creation. Families, suitable for households with multiple devices and users. Small offices, great for small office environments requiring reliable and fast internet connectivity. Remote areas, ideal for areas without traditional broadband access, providing 5G cellular connectivity. Home use, enhance your home network performance for everyday tasks and multiple devices. And that's it everyone, we've just explored the TP-Link Archer NX200 5G SIM router. And I have to say, this device is a game changer for anyone looking for fast, reliable and portable internet connectivity. Whether you are at home, in the office or on the go, this router delivers blazing fast 5G speeds and seamless connectivity for all your devices. If you're someone who values high-speed internet, flexibility and ease of use, the NX200 is definitely worth considering. It's perfect for remote workers, travelers, or anyone who needs a dependable connection without the hassle of cables. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more tech reviews, networking tips, and gadget guides. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, stay connected, stay productive, and I'll see you in the next video.